What's up, guys? Sorry about the thing in the background. That's my little sister in her little crib. So she'll stop crying. But yeah, today I'm on my new channel, Holding Grants. I used to have another channel, but I reset my iPad. So I have another one. We're gonna be playing a game called, isn't it called? What's it called? It is called, guys, I think it's called Alright, let's do it. So it's my little car. This is the starter car. I also have the Facebook car. But I like using this car. I don't know why. I just kind of like the look of it better. I don't like the Facebook one as much. I don't even use Facebook, so what's the point? Whoa. Oh, man. Crap. That was cool. I would have had that cool. Can we go up this? Let's do it. Okay, guys. Whoa, I'm in 200. I'm at the 200 zone. Oh my gosh, I'm in 200. Can I jump it? Whoa, can I land it? Land it. Come on. Oh, I'm at 5 seconds in the air. Pretty good for me. The Facebook car, guys, is really easy to get. You just get on Facebook and you friend Stunt car racing from the game. It's really easy. Oh, that's gotta hurt, guys, right? Let's just nitro it up. We nitroed it. We got nitro up in here. Oh, that's gotta hurt, guys. We can get 100 before we touch that air. Easiness. Alright, sorry about that. It's the app I'm using. It's trying to tell me how to stop the camera and stuff. I just got it. But I know how, because I've used this app before, but when I reset my iPad, I got rid of it. So, yeah, it's my new channel. We're gonna be going pretty easy. Whoa. Oh gosh, guys. Oh, that was pretty awesome. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Woo! What a good jump. That was pretty nice. Oh, that's my TV. So. I'm recording in the living room. That's where every bit of noise is. Right, guys? I need to hit 200 before I get over here. Go up this weird thing, and I want to see if I can flip off of that. You must not see that. If I can hit 300, that'd be amazing. Oh, it doesn't let me hit 300. I got my nitro on, guys. But wait. But there's always another one. Okay, we're at 200 right now, dudes. So we're gonna try to jump this or do this. Can we hit it? Can we just flip off of it? We did it, guys. Oh my gosh, we finally did it. Oh, guys, that was amazing, wasn't it? We literally flipped off of that. What? Still can't believe it is big that fast. Okay. My favorite part about this map, this is probably my favorite map, the park. Don't forget to download this game, it's really fun. I'll show you all the Facebook car. if you all want. I still haven't drove it yet because I never really wanted to. Alright, let's exit this game. Quit, yes. I'm gonna get my Facebook. Don't forget to download Mobile Legends. Buy cars. These are the cars. Yeah, you can look at that one free. I didn't never want to do that one. It does look really cool. What I want the most, guys, is probably the hoverboard or can van. Yeah, and the hot rod. You all want to go play online? Let's go on to random mode. Nah, let's not do random. Sorry, guys. I had to go see who that was. It was just my grandpa. But sorry. Do you all want to do infection mode? Let's do infection mode. Quick play. Alright, guys, we're going Facebook style. Oh, I don't want to be infected. What? I really don't. Who won? Oh, the three-wheeler looks cool. Minnie does too. I got the face car. Yes, that's my mom, guys. Sorry. Next mode, infection. I don't really want to be infected. So we're gonna go hide, dudes. Like literally hide. I hate the map. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh wait, am I infected? Am I infected? Am I a zombie? Am I a freaking zombie? I don't want to die. Don't leave me alone. Oh, Deadpool. Deadpool, come back here. Oh, and guys, by the way, on here, my name is Camaro, boy. It's my favorite. I thought you wanted me to keep the infector. Guys, it's going crazy in here with my Facebook call. I think that looks kind of cool. Look how it goes out of the back of the thumb. Ow. Fist bump. Guys, it looks like I'm giving a thumbs up. Fist bump. I don't want to be tagged or killed. Really? Oh man. Yeah. Let's exit this. Let's quit it. Yeah. I'm just gonna volume it off. It's too annoying. So let's go to lobby. I don't know what we should play though. Wanna do frag frenzy? Or do you wanna do deathmatch? That looks nice. Quick play. Let's do it. No one wants to join me. If you all have the game right now, you all ought to join. What? Oh wait, I just forgot. This wasn't posted yet. Sorry guys. Whoa. Oh, I was gonna say, look, if I turboed it, it looks like fire is going right into my face. Let's just, guys, let's end this video. Like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.